Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add my website link on TikTok PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open the TikTok from your default browser. After that, what you want to do is click on Edit Profile. Now you can add that website link on your bio. Just copy that link and paste it right here and click on Save. That's how you can add my website link on TikTok PC. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.